What's cooking, Connor? Hi, I'm Owen, and welcome back to Cooking with Culinary.
And I'm Amy, your other host. Today I'm here with chefs Patrick and Jackie, and today they'll be showing us how to make homemade ice cream. So stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary.
So let's get started, and what are the ingredients needed?
Okay, so the ingredients that we need for today are heavy cream, sugar, vanilla.
And then we need ice and ice cream salt.
Okay,
And a
so
bunch of plastic bags.
a bunch of plastic bags. So let's jump into this. So first we got our bags with our cups of ice in it. So y'all get one bag here.
Does it matter like how much ice you need in it, or
Just fill up like a good amount of a bag, like more than halfway full. Like 3/4.
Okay.
Okay, so then we're gonna get our small bag. There you go, that's for y'all. And we're gonna get our heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna pour 8 ounces into each bag. Okay.
Sounds
So does it matter, or just as much? Like
8 ounces.
8 ounces. Okay.
There's 16 in there, so we have to between us. So it's 8 and 8, a cup each.
And then we are gonna get half a tablespoon of vanilla. So do you want to pour yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, here.
Don't you? And that's just a taste. And
Yeah.
then, thank you. And then we're gonna get 1/4 cup of our sugar. So that's about this much.
That ice cream on me.
What ice cream?
Ice cream, yeah. I agree.
So true.
There you go.
And you said how much sugar?
1/4 cup.
1/4. Have y'all made this recipe before, or is this y'all's first time?
This is a recipe most people make when they're like little kids in science class. But it's always good to go back to the basics.
Period.
Okay, so we're gonna close those bags.
With air, or like without?
Try to get as much air as you can out of the bag.
Can you close it?
You got it?
Yeah.
And then we are going to get our ice cream salt.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
So we're gonna pour.
Does y'all's bag have a hole in it?
No.
No, it's just nothing.
Just the condensation? I know, I was just saying, because like ours
Okay.
isn't.
So we're
Moving
gonna get
on.
our ice cream salt
Okay.
and
I like the way
pour
that looks.
a good amount in here.
I think this is fun. My bad. Okay.
You said how much?
Also like 1/4 cup of salt. There you go. And you're gonna put your bag in it.
The salt doesn't taste the ice cream.
No.
I don't know, man.
Gaslight me into thinking that the salt could penetrate through plastic bags.
And then you're gonna massage it. Well, you gotta get it in.
Massage it.
Why could I not close this?
Do all
You
that.
massage it.
He's getting that like real time on
You're gonna do
camera.
this for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes?
Oh my god.
Operation Graduation is one last day for seniors to hang out and have fun before graduation. It will be held at Dave & Buster's on May 19th. Get your early bird tickets now for $35.
All right, welcome back. We're definitely looking forward to this dish. So what are the finishing steps?
Okay, so we've made our ice cream and now we dig in. We're gonna add some chocolate just to taste.
All right.
So let's open that up and go. So we're gonna add chocolate into this one. I think that's
It's burned so bad right now.
Yummy.
Why did you say it like
You sound like a Roblox character.
Yeah.
Cheeseburgers.
Cheeseburger.
Okay, let's get our spoons
Okay.
and dig
right.
in.
Y'all still?
Oh,
Wait, give us a second.
Yeah.
Oh, let us
okay.
catch
Alright.
up, please.
My finger hurts so bad right now.
Oh, sorry, Jackie.
No, you're good.
It's my back all over again, bro.
Yo, what?
In the go.
Ice cream.
Okay.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
All right, let's take one more quick break.
Oh
Oh,
yeah, because challenge. Welcome back. It's now time for the ice cream eating challenge, where we'll split into 2 teams and race to eat a pint of ice cream. Whatever team loses will have to bleach their hair blonde. God. That's game. I ate like 85% of that, bro. I didn't even get a break piece at all, bro. Well, that's our game for today. We hope you enjoyed the show. Once again, thank you to all who helped make Cooking with Culinary happen. Jackie, Patrick, and Amy, and all our KTIG crew. As always, CHS, remember, anyone can cook, just follow the recipe.